Hey everybody, it is Ro. Welcome to the channel. Today I got some bad news. So about a month ago we installed this supercharger on the block after it was painted, and then I ordered a stock coolant system for the supercharger. These stock lines and the stock pump, and we was waiting on parts, and we just got the pump installed about a week ago. I took it on a couple drives, only drove it for about 3 hours in total. And as I was driving, I realized the intercooler temp was at 160 degrees because my pump went out. So I came home, popped the hood to check the reservoir, which nothing was flowing. It was just still like this. And as I checked that, I could hear a rattling noise in the supercharger. That was very loud. And I'm gonna put that in the video. I recorded that on my phone, so I gotta get that footage and I'll put that in the video so you can hear it. But I shut it off, waited till the next day till it was cold, started it up, and it was pretty quiet until it got up to regular temp, about 20 degrees above outside weather, or 30 degrees, and it started making the rattling noise again. So something is damaged from being overheated. But in the supercharger, it has upgraded bearings and a billet bearing plate and all that. That was done by STG Motorsports. So I don't think anything got damaged in there. I think it was the snout, because I looked up this sound, and many videos sounds exactly like this. The closest thing I've ever heard in my life to sounding like this, and they all had bearing problems. And like I said, this snout is a stock snout with stock bearings in it. They must have just got overheated or something, because I'm not spinning this blower that fast. I just have a 285 pulley on it, which is not very far of an upgrade from a stock pulley. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to take this intake off, unhook all these lines, unhook the injectors, unhook air lines, unhook the map sensors, take this bar across the top again when I just put this brand new piece. But I'm new to this car shit, and I guess this is what happens. It's just I'm not having very good luck lately. So I had someone help me with the pump, because like I said, this was a scat pack. If you've been watching this channel, this was a scat pack. So I did not swap out the body harness, so the plug was not there for the pump. So I had to wire the pump up myself through the fuse box. And something went out with the pump that I'm not very sure. If you've been watching my videos, like I said, if you've been watching me, I'm learning and I'm going day by day. I'm not a mechanic, I'm a factory worker, and I just try to do what I can. So when it comes to this electric pump, I do not know what I'm doing. I do not know how it went out. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna deal with this problem first about the supercharger. So I talked to John Bond Performance. I'm gonna take this snout off and send it off to him to get race bearings and stuff put in, or upgraded bearings, whatever you wanna call it, ceramic bearings. I talked to another shop and they're like, anybody saying that is lying to you. So I don't know. All I know is they said they got upgraded bearings, new bearings, whatever. I'm gonna send this snout off, get it rebuilt, get it back, put it on this supercharger, start the car up, let it get up to temp, and see if it sounds normal again. Then I'll figure out the pump. So I'm gonna get to tearing this apart, and I'll get back with you guys and show you what it looks like again. Okay, we got it all apart. And as you can see, the whole supercharger is off the car. That was because I tilted it back, and I took the snout off and I spun the bearings in the snout, and it was totally fine. So that means it has to be the supercharger. So I took the whole supercharger apart, took it off the car, took it apart. I put all these parts in these bags because I have an old garage that no matter how much I clean it, it's dusty like 2 days later. So I put all my parts and gaskets in these trash bags to keep them clean until I get the blower back. Yeah, so here's all the parts. I took the blower off. And like I said before, this blower was done by SDG Motorsports. And it's having a problem. And it's been less than a year since it was built, but they said they won't do any warranty work on it because I had it painted by FAS Motorsports. So if your blower gets touched, if you get a blower done by SDG and you do anything with another shop with the blower, it's going to avoid the warranty, which it makes sense. So I'm sending it off. I paid $2,200 to get it totally rebuilt again. Put fresh bearings, fresh oil, whatever it needs, and get powder coated black or painted black and get it sent back. So that's where we're at with it. They said it'd take 3 to 4 weeks to get it back. In the morning I'll take the supercharger, or I'll take the supercharger to the post office. And when I get it back, we'll put it all back together, start the car up, and hear how it sounds. Shut the car off, and then we'll worry about the pump. So, also, we hit 200 subscribers, which is not much, but that's a goal that I wanted and I met. So we just got to keep going up. That's all that matters. As soon as we get this blower back, get it put on here, get this car figured out, we're gonna make some of the best content that I've ever made.